Are you looking for a simple way to track orders in ShopWired? In this video, we're diving straight into how you can keep track of every order efficiently. You'll learn exactly how to use ShopWired's built-in order tracking system so that you never miss a beat. Stick around till the end because not only will we show you how to track orders, but we'll also reveal a powerful alternative tool that might be better suited to your needs, especially if you're looking for more advanced features. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your ShopWired dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your store's main screen. To track orders, you'll go straight to the Orders section, which you can find under the main menu. Here, you'll get a full list of all the orders made in your store, including their current status. It's simple, but it's an essential starting point. Next, let's talk about order statuses. In ShopWired, orders are automatically tagged with different statuses based on where they are in the fulfillment process. From processing to shipped and delivered, these updates will help you easily track progress. But here's something important to note. These statuses are dependent on you manually updating them or your fulfillment service if you have one integrated. So always stay on top of updating each order status. The third thing to keep in mind is the Order Details page. When you click on any order, you'll be taken to a more detailed view. This page will show you customer information, the purchased items, and any shipping details. It's also here that you can manually update the order if needed. So if you're dealing with a customer query about shipping, this is the page you'll want to visit. Now, let's move on to shipping integrations. ShopWired does offer integrations with several major carriers, so you can directly pull tracking information from services like Royal Mail or UPS right into the platform. This way, when an order ships, the tracking number automatically gets added to the customer's order details, and they can keep an eye on their shipment without you lifting a finger. But keep in mind that the integration can be a little tricky to set up for first-time users, so you might need to spend some time getting that configured. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the order reports. This is where you can generate reports that help you monitor your sales and order trends. If you want to look at historical order data and analyze how many orders you've shipped out in a certain time frame, this feature is incredibly helpful. However, the reporting function could use some more advanced filtering options to make it easier to drill down into specific details. Now, let's wrap up by talking about the competition. While ShopWired does a solid job of tracking orders with these features, it's not always the most intuitive, and its integrations are a little lacking compared to some other platforms. If you're looking for something with smoother order tracking, better integration with shipping carriers, and more detailed reporting options, I'd recommend checking out Competitor's Name. They offer an easy-to-use interface, robust features, and you can start with a free trial too. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that isn't available anywhere else. So, if you want to make sure your order tracking game is top-notch, you have options. ShopWired works, but if you want a system that scales with your business and offers a more seamless experience, give Competitor's Name a shot. You can grab that free trial and start experiencing a more efficient order management system today. Thanks for watching.